Passive income, a dream or an attainable reality? Let's debunk some myths. Welcome to the exploration of a concept that has sparked the curiosity of many, venturing into the realm of financial freedom, passive income. The very term conjures images of leisurely days free from the shackles of a 9-to-5 job. But how achievable is it really? Over the next several chapters, we're going to sift through the noise, demystify common misconceptions, and unearth the real formula behind passive income. We'll delve into the concepts of leverage and automation, two key ingredients in creating scalable passive income. We'll show you how to apply this formula and even share a real-life example to bring it all home. This journey may challenge some of your preconceived notions. It might even flip your understanding of passive income on its head. Prepare to rethink everything you thought you knew about passive income. Passive income isn't just about renting out properties or investing in stocks. It's much more. Kicking off with this statement, let's unravel some common myths about passive income that often mislead people and hold them back from exploring this potential goldmine. One of the most common misconceptions is that passive income requires no effort at all. This myth has probably originated from the word passive itself. In reality, setting up a stream of passive income does require initial effort, planning, and sometimes a bit of trial and error. It's not a magic trick that brings money while you sleep from day one. It might take a few months or even a year to set up a solid passive income system. But once it's up and running, it can indeed bring you income with minimal maintenance. Another myth is that passive income is only for the wealthy. This is far from the truth. While having a substantial initial investment can indeed help, it's not a prerequisite. There are numerous methods to generate passive income that require little to no upfront investment. For instance, online content creation, affiliate marketing, or even creating a digital product like an ebook or an online course. These methods rely more on your skills, creativity, and time rather than hefty financial investments. Then there's the belief that passive income is a quick fix to financial woes. While it's an excellent way to diversify income and secure financial stability, it's not a get-rich-quick scheme. It requires patience, consistency, and a strategic approach. Don't expect to become a millionaire overnight with passive income. The last myth we'll tackle is the idea that there's a one-size-fits-all approach to passive income. Not all methods will suit everyone. The key is to find something that aligns with your interests, skills, and financial goals. Now that we've debunked these myths, let's dive into the real passive income formula. Because once you understand the realities of passive income, you're better equipped to make it work in your favor. Ready for the secret sauce? The real passive income formula is leverage plus automation equals scalable passive income. But let's break that down, shall we? Passive income isn't just about having money. It's not about sitting on a beach while your bank balance magically increases. No, it's about creating a system, a formula, if you will, that allows you to generate income with minimal active involvement. In the heart of this formula lies leverage. Think of leverage as the fulcrum that balances your effort and the resultant income. It's about using resources in a way that maximizes output. These resources could be anything: money, time, talent, or even other people's resources. Leverage is the art of doing more with less. Next, we have automation. In the context of passive income, automation is the process of setting up systems or technologies that operate without your constant supervision. It's about making your money work for you even when you're not actively working. When you combine leverage and automation, what you get is scalable passive income. Scalability is key here. It's not just about making a few extra bucks on the side. It's about creating a system that can grow and generate more income as it expands. So instead of trading your time for money, like in a typical 9-to-5 job, you're building a system. A system that uses leverage to maximize output and automation to minimize your active involvement. A system that can scale and grow, creating a steady stream of passive income. That, my friends, is the real passive income formula. It's not a get-rich-quick scheme. It's a systematic, strategic approach to income generation. It's about shifting the way you think about money and work, and embracing the power of leverage, automation, and scalability. So, what exactly is leverage, and how does it play into this equation? Leverage is the secret weapon of the financially savvy. It's about making your money work for you. But what does that mean exactly? Well, in the simplest terms, leverage is using borrowed resources to increase your potential return on investment. It's like using a lever to lift a heavy object. With the right leverage, you can lift something much heavier than you could on your own. For example, let's consider investing in stocks. You might only have a small amount of money to invest, but by leveraging that money, you can buy more stocks than you could afford outright. This increases your potential for profit. Or consider using credit wisely. You could leverage a loan to start a business or buy property, and then use the profits to pay back the loan and keep the rest. Leverage, when used wisely, can be a powerful tool for creating wealth. Now that we understand leverage, let's move on to the second part of our formula: automation. Automation is your best friend when it comes to passive income. It's about making your income work for you, even when you're not. But what exactly is automation? In essence, automation is the process of setting up systems or utilizing technology to perform tasks that would otherwise require your constant attention. Imagine a system where your money is regularly invested in a diverse portfolio without you lifting a finger. That's automation in the realm of finance. Or consider an online business that uses software to manage orders, customer service, and even marketing. Once set up, these systems can run with minimal input, freeing up your time and energy for other pursuits. That's the beauty of automation. It's like a well-oiled machine continuously working in the background, helping you earn while you focus on living the life you want. With automation on our side, let's figure out how to apply this formula in real life. Applying the formula isn't rocket science, but it does require strategic thinking. Let's dive right into the practical steps to apply the formula, which consists of identifying opportunities for leverage and automation and implementing those strategies. First, it's about spotting the opportunities. Look around and identify the tasks you're performing repeatedly. These could be anything from responding to customer inquiries, creating invoices, or even something as simple as scheduling meetings. These repetitive tasks are prime candidates for automation. Next, start thinking about leverage. Where can you maximize your efforts with minimal input? It could be utilizing a piece of software to streamline your operations, or tapping into a network of industry influencers to promote your product or service. Remember, leverage is all about getting the most out of your resources. Now that we've identified potential areas for automation and leverage, let's talk about implementing these strategies. For automation, there's a wide range of tools available, from software that automates email responses to AI chatbots that handle customer service inquiries. Don't be afraid to experiment and see what works best for your business. When it comes to leverage, it's about building relationships and making smart investments. This could mean partnering with industry influencers, investing in high-yield assets, or even outsourcing tasks to a virtual assistant. The key is to constantly monitor and adjust your strategies to ensure optimal results. Remember, the passive income formula of leverage plus automation equals scalable passive income is not a one-size-fits-all approach. It's a dynamic process that requires ongoing evaluation and fine-tuning. So don't be discouraged if your first attempts don't yield immediate results. Keep refining your approach, stay persistent, and you'll soon see the fruits of your labor. In essence, applying the formula is about being smart and strategic with your resources. It's about minimizing the effort and maximizing the output. It's about working smarter, not harder, and there you have it. The practical steps to apply the formula of leverage plus automation to generate scalable passive income. Let's look at a real-life example to see this formula in action. Meet John, a successful entrepreneur who has mastered the art of passive income. John had a vision not to work for money, but to make money work for him. He wanted to break free from the chains of the 9-to-5 grind and enjoy the fruits of his labor without exchanging time for money. John ran a small brick-and-mortar business selling homemade candles. He realized he was trading his time for money and the business was not scalable. He was constantly working, and his income was limited by the number of candles he could make and sell in a day. So John decided to leverage. He started sourcing his candles from a supplier who could provide in bulk. This allowed him to sell more candles without having to make them all himself. He was no longer tied to the production process, freeing up his time significantly. That's the power of leverage. But John didn't stop there. He knew he had to automate to truly unlock passive income. He set up an online store and used software to manage his inventory, sales, and customer service. Orders could be placed and processed anytime, anywhere without his direct involvement. His business was now running 24/7, multiplying his earning potential. That's automation at its finest. John's business grew exponentially. He was selling more candles than ever before, but he was working less. His revenue increased by threefold in the first year itself. John's life transformed. He now had the freedom to pursue his passions, spend time with his family, and even take vacations while his business continued to generate income. John's story is a testament to the power of the passive income formula. He leveraged to scale his business and automated to free up his time. The result was a thriving, profitable business that required minimal effort on his part. Now it's your turn. Passive income isn't a myth. It's a formula that you can apply to achieve financial freedom. Now it's your turn. This isn't just a theory to be admired from afar. It's a practical, achievable strategy that you can and should implement in your life. Don't let fear or uncertainty hold you back. Take that first step, however small it may be. The key to passive income is leverage and automation. Start applying the formula today and create your own success story. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell to stay updated on more financial insights. Until next time, keep hustling.